We have capital here, but it needs to be structured in a certain way when I put it into a business. So the business I put it into has to look a certain way to tell me that it can absorb this money and it can be able to multiply it.
And because we have no records,
Yeah.
we have no systems.
We have no systems. We have no governance. We have no all these things. So you end up being marked down by the investor because they now look at you and they think this is a very risky business to invest in.
Wow.
And the entrepreneur on their own side, they don't have all these things in place yet. They would like the capital, but are they structured in a way that can enable them to access that money and be able to multiply and tell the story of what that business can be able to do to be able to multiply that money and return it. So when I tell you there is no lack of capital, I told you Kenya, especially when we talk about Kenya, Kenya receives the most startup funding on the African continent. There's all these other people I mentioned, development finance institutions, investors. We have the highest concentration of all these people. And if you even break outside the Kenyan circles now and you want to fundraise internationally, the capital pool is even bigger. I think it's more than $800 billion a year that that one, in fact, is just for impact investment and probably a similar amount, that is just waiting for investable businesses.
Wow.
And so there's no shortage of capital. The question is, how do you structure yourself in a way that you can access it?
Yeah.
But will you be able to keep your promise that when I access this capital, I'll be able to return it?